Hey there! Today we're going to walk through how to build an account balance screen using the Ionic Design Kit. This kit makes app development a lot easier by giving you a library of pre-built components, so you don't have to start from zero. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you need a closer look at something. Account balance screen is essential for any finance, banking, or budgeting app. This is where users check their current balance, track spending, and get a quick feel for their financial health. If it's done right, it builds trust and makes your app feel sharp and helpful. But if it's messy or confusing, users won't stick around. You want this screen to be clean, visual, and easy to read. Think balance totals up top, maybe a quick summary of income versus expenses, followed by recent transactions. Bonus points for graphs, filters, and maybe even a few category icons to keep it user-friendly. So what's the benefit of using the Ionic Design Kit? For designers, it means faster workflows and consistent UI. No need to design components from scratch. For developers, it makes handoff simple. The components in the design kit are built on the Ionic framework, so you can build exactly what was designed, without extra guesswork. It keeps the whole process faster, smoother, and more aligned from start to finish. Remember, you can find all the code snippets over on our website, so you're never left hanging. Want to level up your Ionic workflow? The Ionic Design Kit makes it easier to create clean, intuitive interfaces and speeds up development from design to code. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, drop a like, share this video, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.